Guys, so once again, welcome back to another vlog, and napagod ako sa school, and we're preparing na rin sa Jasams Fair na next week na magaganap, and concert, and we have 98 days, yun nga sabi ni Sir Carlo, 98 days before graduation. So finally, ito na yung basement parking, that's the parking area. So first time guys, it's our first time na magpa-park tayo dito sa bagong Gateway 2. So papark na tayo sa Gateway Mall 2. Welcome to the new wing of Gateway. That's the new wing.
It's huge.
So medyo malaki ang Gateway Mall 2 guys. And welcome to the new parking of Gateway. So next week na ang concert nako. Sobrang excited guys, sobrang excited ko na makita yung alumni and mga old teachers. Basta careful lang and respect.
Oh, kaya pala wala na Shopwise kasi nilipat na
Nilipat na. Opo, yes ma. Yes. Sobrang excited ko na makita yan si Ate Julian Baltazar sa next week, no? So I'm so happy and blessed. So this is the new Gateway Mall parking, no? So ito yun yung bagong Gateway Mall parking. Welcome to the new Gateway. Wow, ganda magsalita. So welcome back to another vlog, and wala muna tayong mga travels this year because ipon-ipon muna and rest muna sa pagta-travel. Dito na lang tayo sa Philippines, mamasyal muna, no? Grabe bago yung Shopwise, guys. So we're going down to basement 2. Pagkanan nyo, papunta atang lumang wing ng Gateway siguro. So we're going down to basement 2. And welcome to the new Gateway Mall parking.
Oh, luwag.
Wow, grabe, ang dami oh.
Nice.
So yeah, we are now here at the new Gateway Mall wing parking. This is the basement 2. Napaka-cute ang pagsalita ko. And that's the elevator. Ayan yung elevator, no? Sorry guys kung hindi ako makapag-vlog dahil dami kong ginagawa, inaasikaso. So once again, this is the Gateway Mall 2 parking, and I am happy, no? Happy lang dapat. So ang daming events na rin nangyayari. Number 1 is the Eras Tour in Tokyo in Japan, and next week na mangyayari yung concert sa Jasams. Grabe, sobrang excited ko na makita yung si Ate Julian, no? At si Najana, sana. Sobrang excited ko talaga. Mama, excited ko talaga makita yung alumni, promise.
Alright, anak. Alright.
Ayan ata yung lumang Gateway na parking, yung original. So this one, yeah. So hindi ko na to i-end yung video, pause na lang. Popause ko na lang yung video. So yeah. So mamaya ko na to i-upload sa YouTube pag uwi, no? And we are ayan. Welcome to new Gateway Mall parking. Ito na. Grabe, medyo nahingal ako kanina sa kakaasar ng mga classmates kanina. Imagine nyo kanina, natutulog yung mga some of our kanina some of our batch, our classmates, no? All the jokes. Number 44. So ayun, 3 months to go na lang, and i-wish ko talaga kasi muntik na akong hindi mag-graduate dahil sa mga ugali ko or but sorry if I would share this. And I wish na mag-graduate na rin ako, no? So 3 months left before graduation. Mama, happy? Siyempre. Ay, elevator o escalator?
Elevator.
Sige.
Sumabay elevator?
Hindi na, mamaya, yung pababa na lang. So, welcome to new Gateway Mall 2. Yan. So, welcome to the Gateway Mall 2. And it's David Shu, and dalawa account ko. Siyempre, ibang videos ko, dinelete ko dahil aksidente, at gusto kong i-start over ulit yung mga videos. Ayun. So ang daming masasarap na pagkain, guys. So we're gonna look for our, that's why kaya lang tayo pumunta dito just to eat dinner, no? Mami, look.
We have potato.
Timo. Ayoko ng Botejo. Kakagaling lang natin sa Osaka nun eh. Tim Ho Wan na lang yan, oh. Meron silang ano. So, we're gonna look for a place to eat. Ayan. So, mamaya tatry ko to i-upload sa YouTube. So, we're going up. So, this is basement 1. So, we're on basement 2. So, we're going up now. Ayan, Chibo. Meron din. Ang sarap. Pero, no. So, next week, guys, Ate Julian, makikita ko sa concert. Sobrang excited na. Pero, wag tayo maingay. Whisper lang when we talk. Pag mag-uusap tayo, quietly, not too loud. Okay?
We have Tokyo milk cheese cutter, but you have coffee.
Wag na. Next time na lang. So, once again, this is the Gateway Mall 2. Ayan. And ayan yung elevator. Welcome to the new wing of Gateway Extension. So, hahanap muna tayo ng mga foods na kakainin natin dito. Pag-isipan natin kaya kung saan tayo makakakain, guys. Ayoko ng Bodecho. Ayoko ng Japanese kasi kakagaling lang natin. So, ang bait talaga ni Mama sa akin. And once again, next week, sorry guys, ayoko nang ulitin, but target ko na talaga yung si Ate Julian Baltazar na yan. So excited to see her again kung pupunta siya ng concert. Yay! So, yeah. We're so excited to see Ate Julian again once she goes to Jasab's, no? And syempre nakaka-stress lang dahil dami na namin gagawin, no? Meron pa akong resume na aayusin. Magpapa-help sana ako, pero ano. Okay. So you hear the beautiful sound here. And once again, malapit na ako mag-graduate. Ano, saan tayo po? Hindi. I changed my mind. Siguro pwede na lang tayo dyan o wag. It's fine for another nice meal. Chibo, nakita ko baka mag-chibo na lang tayo. Yan. Grabe, next week hindi lang si Julian. Gusto ko makita yan si... maraming tao siguro eh. Asan ba yung... So, ayun, hindi lang si Julian. Yung pumunta sa career, syempre na magaling parang celebrity and... Yeah. Oh, di lang si Julian, pati si Noor si Roma, sila Lea, sila Jana, sila Louie, sila Kylie, sila Queenie, sila Matthew, sila Eli, sila Nika, Thessalonica. Hindi ko pa sila kilala pero yun yung batch nga ni Thessalonica. Tunglok Seafood. Pag tayo dun. Okay, so mamaya po-post ko to sa YouTube, no? Ayan. First time to park in the new Gateway. At saka thank you Lord kasi thank you Lord that nothing wrong happened. Thank you Lord na lagi tayong masaya. Okay, so let's find for there are restaurants there, I guess. So, ayan yung Farmers Plaza. Lumang gateway.
Where's going to Old Gateway?
Diyan siguro. So, we're still looking for... Kasi ang daming masarap na restaurant dito. Parang mabibitin ako or ano, whatever. Let's going to the parking. So, this is once again the Gateway New Wing Mall. Tsaka, hindi na ako talaga masyadong mamamasyal eh. So, sorry. Since ayoko na ito. So, hanap tayo. Dito na maraming grabe, dito na maraming tao, no?
Ayan, nakamask pa naman.
Ayan yun, that's the Smart Araneta Coliseum when you turn right. That's the Smart Araneta Coliseum once again, and Farmers na yan.
Buti natin. Kasi baka nandun yung ano. Origami udon.
Aha.
Tom yan!
Sige, pwede. Sure.
Puno na sa pound eh. Okay, sa'yo.
Grabe, ang dami. Kaso may ubo pa ako, hindi pa. So, I'm thankful to Teacher Abby kasi hini-help niya ako sa mga works ko na nahihirapan. So, next week, so excited to see all the balikbayans again from Jasams. Grabe guys, pero with respect lang.
And let's go into Old Gateway.
Yeah,
Not Panda Express.
nope.
Yoshinoya.
Yoshino,
Ano lang to?
Tomyang na lang po.
Ano yan?
Pizza.
What's that?
French baker yan eh, parang sa... Sige, Tongyang. So we will eat at Tongyang.
Kasi hindi mo you cannot find it.
Kasi nila... Wala, hindi ko next time na lang yon, pagbalik na lang natin dito. So this is... Ask nyo kung may table.
Wait, we're waiting eh.
Doon na lang tayo sa iba po. Hanap pa tayo ng iba. Kasi Chibo, may nakita akong Chibo. No, nung may signage sa baba.
Let's look for concierge and the
Okay?
Chibo.
So, ngayon,
Chibo?
hindi ko sure eh.
Ha? Balik na tayo.
Sige, try natin.
Manam.
No.
Shake Shack.
Hmm,
It's American. Ayun, there's Chibo.
ayan, sige, dyan tayo, Chibo. So, ayan na.
Don't like Shake Shack?
Yeah, I don't like next time na. Chibo gusto ko kasi gusto ko yung spinach antipasto dun eh.
Okay.
And pizza.
Chibo one!
Ayan.
Ayun na. There it is.
So, yan. May nahanap na tayo. Nasa labas pa lang. So, nasa labas na tayo ng gateway. Ayan yung pabuntang lumang gateway. Yeah. Oo. Pero hindi tayo wala tayo sa Hong Kong at Japan. Ha?
Sure na.
Yeah. So, andito na tayo. Welcome to the Muat. So, we're gonna look for foods here. Yeah. So, isipin mo, nakabalik na tayo sa Hong Kong, no? But, seriously speaking, we'll look for nice foods. Ano kaya tong menu? Hi guys! Ayun. From now on, chill na muna tayo. Basta I'll try my best to be more better. Hanap. Gusto ko na yan ng ano. Okay guys, end ko muna tong video na to and I will post it, upload it sa YouTube mamaya.